Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 169 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today we're going to take a trip to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and it's Carnival season. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a classic Brazilian style donut, which is called Bolinhos de Chuva, which means raindrops. These donuts are going to be so tender, and we're going to put a cinnamon sugar glaze on it. And your family will enjoy these donuts. All right, you ready? Let's go make some Brazilian magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is make our cinnamon sugar glaze. In my bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and a tablespoon of ground cinnamon and stir all this together. And then we're going to set this aside while we're working our donuts. Alright my friends, in my bowl I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, and we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar and whisk all together. And next we're going to add in 2 eggs and 1 cup of evaporated milk plus a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to add in half. And we're going to slowly add the rest of the evaporated milk and stir all together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our batter looks like. Nice and smooth. Alright, that looks perfect. Now we're going to set our batter aside while we heat up some oil. Alright my friends, I got my oil heating up. You want to heat it up to 360 degrees, and I'm using peanut oil, or you can use any kind of oil. So now we're going to slowly add the dough into the hot oil, and I'm using a teaspoonful like so. Hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And they're going to be shaped as raindrops. And you don't want to overcrowd the pot, otherwise the temperature of the oil will go down. Alright my friends, I've taken our donuts out of the oil, and this is what they look like. Nice and golden brown. Alright, and while they're still hot, we're going to dredge them in the cinnamon sugar mixture that we made earlier. We want to do it while they're hot, so that way they stick to them. Now how good does that look? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish frying the rest of my donuts, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Brazilian style raindrop donuts, which is called Bolinhos de Chuva. Don't that look good? Look at the cinnamon sugar on it. Ooh, look at that. Here we go. Nice and fluffy. Oh, these are the bomb.com Donutlicious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Carnival!